One of the biggest problems in AI animation is not motion, not lighting, and not even style. It's character consistency. You generate one image, it looks great. You generate the next one, and suddenly the face changes. Different proportions, different identity, different character. So why does this happen? Because AI does not remember. Every generation is a new guess unless you force consistency. And that's exactly what we're fixing in this episode. Let's start with the real cause of the problem. Most character inconsistencies come from weak prompts. Not bad tools, not bad models. Weak prompts. You give a rough sketch to ChatGPT, ask for a prompt, and ChatGPT generates something vague. That prompt is then sent to the image model. And the result? The same prompt creates different characters every single time. Same pose, same idea, different face. This is the moment where most people get stuck. So what actually fixes this? A reference image. One image, one character. No exceptions. This reference image becomes the foundation of everything that follows. It defines the face, the proportions, the clothing, the silhouette. This image is not inspiration. It is a lock. One image rules everything. Now we bring ChatGPT back into the process, but this time with a clear role. We don't ask ChatGPT to imagine a character, we ask it to describe what already exists. The sketch and the reference image are sent to ChatGPT only to generate a controlled prompt. A prompt that includes rules like preserve the character, keep the same proportions, do not redesign, do not change identity. At this stage, the prompt becomes more important than style, because style can change, identity cannot. Next, we lock the prompt. We compare a loose prompt with a locked one. The loose prompt leaves room for interpretation. The locked prompt removes it. When both are sent to the image model, the difference is obvious. The unlocked prompt creates variation. The locked prompt creates consistency. This is the key mindset shift. Describe, don't imagine. Now we move to image generation. The locked prompt and the reference image are sent together into the image model. This is where consistency actually happens. The output you get here is not just another image. This is your final character image. This image becomes the source for every future animation. If this image changes, your character changes. So you protect it. Next comes animation. The final character image is sent into the video model. But here's the rule. We only animate motion, not identity. The video prompt must clearly say, no facial changes, preserve identity, do not redesign the character. Once again, ChatGPT helps generate this video prompt, but only within strict boundaries. The result is subtle motion, stable facial features, and a character that finally feels real. Before we finish, let's look at the most common mistakes. First, over-describing. Too much creativity breaks consistency. Second, changing reference images. Multiple faces create multiple characters. Third, prioritizing style over identity. Style should serve the character, not replace it. So remember these three rules. One character, one image, lock the prompt, move the body, not the face. Follow these rules and AI animation stops feeling random and starts feeling intentional. That's how you keep a consistent character. If this helped you understand how to keep a character consistent, subscribe to the channel. This series breaks down AI animation step by step, from idea to final result. New episodes are coming. Subscribe and continue the process.